Braavos, we're going to be installing the web wallet. It's going to be browser based. I have lots of different wallets, but we're going to go ahead and install this one by clicking on the download button right over here. And if we scroll down a little bit over here, you can see that they have browser extensions for different browsers, all Chromium based. They also have a mobile wallet. Since we're in Chrome, we're going to be installing the Chrome wallet by clicking on it. We're going to click on Add to Chrome and then Add Extension. And it's going to bring us over to this page where we're going to create a new wallet. Now, if you already have a seed phrase, you can import it. This would be the time. But we're going to start off with a brand new wallet by clicking on this. And we're going to enter in a password. Okay, so I have my password in. I'm going to click on next. And now it's time to unlock it. Put in our password one more time and we're going to log in here. Next up is going to be your seed phrase. Now the seed phrase is something that you and only you should be using. Do not share this with anybody. If someone has access to your seed phrase, that means they have access to your crypto. So what we're going to do is click on the show button right over here. And then I'm going to click on copy. And I'm going to put this in a very safe place. So I have now copied it. Once you've copied it and saved it in a safe location, you can now check this box and we'll click over to the next step. And this is allowing you to enable 2FA. So you can either turn this on or turn this off. This is a really good idea to enable for an extra layer of security. We'll go ahead and click on next. So we're all set up. We can click on let's start. And it's letting us know if we hit Alt and B, it's going to open up the sidebar right over here. So Alt B. And here is our wallet. So we have this all set up. You can start receiving funds, copying your address. You can also send your funds directly from the wallet by hitting the transfer option right over here. If you scroll down a little bit, we have DeFi already built in and NFTs can be located right over here. If you want to access the exchange, it's just a click away, as well as dApps. The dApp store will allow you to install a lot of different dApps if you're interested in that. And then you also have activities to show you a log of all your transactions. So that's how you do it. That's how you install Braavos inside the Chrome browser. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please smash that like button. Thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one.